this is my over 60 face. You can see, okay pa yung ating cheekbone and less wrinkles. Dahil ang nakatulong sa akin is yung skincare ko. Hi everyone, this is Ana Novales. So today, samahan nyo ako and let's get ready with me with my skincare for 60 years old or over. After washing my face, ito yung gagamitin ko. So magdo-double cleanser ako para mas makita or mas malinisan yung face before kayo mag-makeup or anything na gagawin nyo this morning. By the way, I'm using this one. This is Pond's micellar water. Meron siyang brightening. Okay, kung makikita nyo is madumi pa rin siya maski naghilamos ka na. Next is my vitamin C. This is Melano CC. So, ito mga to is nabili ko sa Japan. So, this is last February. So, hindi pa naman siya expired, I'm sure. This Melano CC has a brightening effect to lessen or to erase or to lessen your hyperpigmentation or melasma. It really helps kasi matagal ko siyang ginagamit eh. Makita ko naman nag-brighten yung face ko at nalilesen yung hyperpigmentation. So, syempre ganyan. And then, after nyan is let it stay mga ilang seconds and then gamitin nyo na tong Hada Labo. This is milk serum or milk lotion. By the way. So, this is hydrating milk. So, kung dry ang skin nyo, normal, or oily, okay siya to hydrate your skin. Lalo na dito sa atin, di ba? Sobrang humid. I use this every day. Use it twice a day. And then, after nun is isasama nyo yung neck nyo. Ganyan. And after this is i-massage na niya yung skin nyo. Ang pag-massage is ganyan. Nakita ko lang dito sa vlog. And then, gaganyan nyo. Siyempre para ma-prevent yung pagsag ng skin natin or yung face, kailangan gawin nyo is 10. So, and then, gagamitin nyo rin dito sa inyong medyo temp, sa inyong neck. And then, dito sa back of your neck. Dito sa shoulder, imamassage yung ganyan. It helps. To me, it helps. And then, ito naman, gagawin. I always do this. By the way, I'm 66 years old, going 67. Prevention is the key to look more or to look younger or to prevent yung skin magsag. Parang pinadidelay lang natin yung pagiging going sa pagtanda natin. Parang pinatatagal lang natin yung aging process. So, dito, ganyan lang. And then, dito is, pinipinch ng ganito. Tapos, ganyan. Pinch ng ganyan, ganyan. Pinch ng ganyan, ganyan. Maski paano nakakatulong to. And then, sa ayos naman. I-lift yung ganyan. And then, after na yan is you can use your this is from Japan, this is eye care, eye cream. So ganito siya, so and then tatap mo lang yan. So last, ito pa pala, yung ating sun care. This is Sunbrella 50 plus, SPF 50 plus plus plus. So marami siyang plus. So alam niyo na pag maraming plus, marami siyang may tutulong sa init ng araw o sa sun rays. Maganda siyang sunblock. After nito is, bababa ako. Mag-walking. Ikot-ikot lang dito sa baba. Kailangan lagi kayong mag-walk, lalo na pag may edad na kayo. And mag-weights kayo kasi mga resistance training. Maski sa bahay, basta meron kayong mga... Ako kasi ginagamit ko. Yan. Ito. So, dalawa ginagamit ko nito. Everyday nag-exercise ako. 2 dumbbells. This is 3 pounds. And squatting. Ngayon nakasquat ako. So, I do it regularly. So, lastly, I have my tomato glass skin. This is also vitamin C spray. Ayan. And we're done. So, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and clear also. So, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye. God bless. Thank you.